This here is Thumby, a little itsy bitsy game console that is probably one of the smallest, if not the smallest game consoles we've ever seen yet, measuring at about 1 inch by 0.7 inch. That is incredibly small. Not only that, it's designed to be a keychain, so you can go ahead and just put it on your keys and play it whenever, and it is fully customizable, powered by a Raspberry Pi. If you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. And big special thanks to the good folks over at Tiny Circuits. That's right, Tiny Circuits, for sending this over. Now, we reviewed Tiny Circuits products before, including a miniature arcade machine, so this year should be quite interesting as well. Now, this video is sponsored by DOJ, the company that actually sent me this hoodie, custom conflicts with our logo, of course, and of course housing the number 14 for 2014 when we came out. So if you guys want to learn more about DOJ, be sure to check out their link down below as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so check it out. So this is the box that it came in. It's actually a Game Boy cartridge box. So obviously this might be more for your retro fans out there. If you're not familiar with it, this is how the old game consoles used to come with. Really cool stuff, definitely a nostalgic value, and the design of it almost looks like a miniature Game Boy. Now it says Thumby on the back, says this year is a Kickstarter special edition. It does come with some pre-games as well, but you can always go ahead and create your own games with the app that they provide. So it's actually kind of nice that it's really easy to use and user friendly, so you can go ahead and create your own games. Now let's open this thing up and take a closer look. Alright, so obviously this here is just a prototype, but still it does work and everything on it is fully functional. And what in the world? Are you legitimately kidding me? Look at this. This here is a game console and it works. The buttons work, the analog work, the power buttons on the top, and it's got a screen that's literally super crisp. Now it's got a little keychain here, so you can go ahead and put this on your keys, and then it's got a USB-C cord port on the bottom to go ahead and charge it. Now everything on it is a micro system, so it's quite interesting to see how they created this. So let's go ahead and try this thing on. We're gonna hit the on button here. And it says Tiny Circuits and it says start, so that's pretty rad. Now you have your A and your B function buttons, so we'll hit A to start, and then you got all the games in here. Holy moly, this thing's insane. To kind of give you an idea, let's just try Tiny Blocks. I think this is like Tetris. There we are, start. So cool, look at that. Probably one of the smallest consoles I've ever seen. Let's just end this really quick. There we go. Game over. So that is pretty wicked. Now let's go ahead and go back into the main menu. Let's try some other games and see what else they got in here. So it's down. So we got tennis. So we got space debris. So let's try this. There we go. Whoa, this is so crazy. I mean, you guys have no idea how small this thing is. This is absolutely insane. It's just like a shooting, flying game. Gotta find the bad guys, go by the arrows. There we are. Oh, saw the spaceship. Man, the thing is really fast. Wow, this thing is like really hard to play. But it's a shooting game, so it's really cool. You just kind of shoot the bad guys and stuff like that. Tennis? Let's try tennis. That's crazy. Alright, so you can actually do 2 players. That's interesting. Alright. Oh wait, this actually has a speaker in there? What? You can hear it's like a little beep. So yeah, kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Overall, really cool design concept. I mean, the fact that it's so smooth and how this thing runs, I mean, I'm absolutely kind of mind blown. And then you can always go ahead and make your own games if you really want to, and create something very unique. So I mean, look at this. Jump. And jump. Ah, I messed up. So it's like a jumping game. Let's check this out. So this here is our game console, right? This here is an SD card, a standard SD card. And look at the size of it. The SD card is bigger. What? I love it. I have to say, I absolutely love it. Being a person that is into video games and just the pure nostalgic value of it, it's really cool. I mean, how much is this thing going for? $19. $19 for a playable keychain. That's actually I'm surprised at how cheap that is. That's actually really cool. I mean, people spend so much more money on things like this, and this is actually a great novelty piece. I mean, for $19, that's insane. All right, well, yeah, there you guys have it. So overall, really, really cool. Big special shout out to Ken for setting this over. And yeah, I mean, really excited to see what other future products they come up with. But with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.